Now let us start the demo. Now this is the card making software. How to use this card making software? Because it just looks very simple thing, and some people may go into depression. Oh no, how it will be useful? But this is a wonderful tool, and we can make a crispy, sharp cards of exact same size. So first let us write any one intention, feeling of ONENESS, oneness in the whole world, means Vasudeva Kutumbakam, feeling of whole world is mine. Okay, now after this what you have to do? You can see my cursor here in the shape of hand. When you right click it, you will get a zoom in. When you click it a zoom in, see you are all that numbers and everything visible. When you take to this number one by one, you will find red line there. Red line. When you want to mark anything, just click on that red line. It will become a line. It will become permanent line. Now if you think you have done mistake, it should be corrected. Then go to that same line and that will become red. Again click it. It will go off. So beautifully designed. And like that, very easily you can make the cards, any cards of 14,000 cards you can make by this software. Because we supply only 650 cards and some give only 576 cards. In UK it costs one card cost you 3 pounds. But here we are able to make any number of cards with the code. Also, one of our client requested me how to make the card from the switchwords. Now because I am not so expert in switchwords, so many clients are very good at that. But now I have taken the switchwords app of feeling of oneness in the whole world. Okay. Then when I sliding this, it will come here. Now there are beautiful numbers called as five element, 5 koshas. 5 is a wonderful complete number. Or 7 colors you can take, or 9 you can take. Like that you can declare your own limitation. Like in I want 5-digit number for this particular switch words for my understanding. Means feeling of oneness in the whole world. I want to derive a card for this. Now I can't show you here. I am making this laptop. That screen should be flat on the ground. I'm making the. I'll put some snap. I will show you also. I will merge the video and show you how I am making it. Now, see, I have kept the center. Now, for the feeling of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, I want to derive their rate. So, I am requesting universal energy to find a rate for that. So, let me see what the rate I am getting. My pendulum is oscillating at number 6, and we can make exactly where it is oscillating, then mark on the 6. I am marking on 6. So next we want to have a 5-digit number. For that reason, again I will ask the universal consciousness, and now second number I am getting as 13. 13, where in 13 you have to mark exactly, and you have made the line. Okay, then again take the pendulum, search for the third digit in the, because we want with the 5 lines. So now it is showing, see wonderfully it is showing in the 25th sector and the 7th. According to base 10, it is the 7th sector. So likewise, now we already completed 3 digits. Now let me find out. See, you should go on, generally you should go on finding from 27 to 44, like that. From first, let it go anywhere. From there, next level you go to the next number. From there you search for the next digit. Now already 3 already done. Now feeling of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, whole world is mine, or all people are mine, and with love and coordination. So now I am getting 33. 33 is a number. So last and the final one, where I am getting the number. So let us see what number I am getting. So don't worry that whether this pendulum is moving with your intention, without intention, with the fan, or if somebody is pushing you and it is moving, no problem. It is all because of the universal consciousness wants it to happen. Now this has happened now. Then what to do? Then click here. Click. Zoom out. So now we made, I have given one example of feeling oneness in the whole world. Just go to the any empty space, click right and press on play. Now you see beautiful, wonderful, sharp card you get. Now you go to the file and go to the print and select the PDF printer. Any PDF printer you can select. I have installed Bullzip. If you can download from the internet, or you can ask me, I will give you. Now see, you have to set the file name here. What file name will give? Switchword. SW, I will give only switch, 2 words. Okay, switchword. Now I will make it a save. It will be saved. Okay, see now the final one has come. Feeling of oneness in the whole world. You can just print this in the, you can print in, this is a, you can print in a legal copy. Legal means the copy what you want to have to set is the legal. So just you can again press print. After then you set the more setting, go to the more setting, then go to the setting and you go to the preference. Means when you are in advanced in A4, See, therefore you can go to the legal. Yeah, you see legal is there. You go to legal, then again press OK, then print. Your beautiful card will be printed. And I told you, print in the laser printer. When you print in the laser printer, it will be of exactly same size, and all laser printers are magnetic in nature and laminate it. That's it. Likewise,